Yo, I'm gonna do like a little market review on today's price action. Cause I ain't gonna lie, today was not good PA, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie. I literally hopped off like probably like an hour ago. Probably like 30 minutes in, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Today's PA was not that good. So okay, this is a review of this trade. I mean, I didn't take any trades. But this is a review of like what happened to like with the session, basically. So coming in a market open, I was leaning more bullish because of this new week opening gap right here, like a big ass fucking gap. Uh, but we were also in this 1 hour gap at the time, so that's why I was like leaning bullish, but I wasn't like full bullish unless we displaced through this gap. So I was using that 1 hour gap as my condition. See if we displace through it. But so yeah, that was my bias and coming in the morning. And then let's chop in the morning. Wait, let me, what the fuck? Wait, boom. So coming in the morning, I was leaning bullish. I ain't gonna lie, but we still had all this. We had low res below us, but we took it on ES at the time, so we had a SMT put in down there. So I was looking more bullish. I expected either price to come down and maybe hit this 15-minute gap, and then we can get longs from there. But yeah, market open happened, and what? What? He's fucking me up. Okay, market open happened, and boom. See, we blast up, and bro, we just like go all the way up, and I was waiting, just wait on this point, and then eventually we hit this. We came into this key level, which is this 1 hour gap. And I wanted to see what would happen if we respected it, disrespected it, but we just kept stalling up here. So first trade that I was looking at was maybe this 1 minute getting inverse and maybe we getting like a clean flush here. I mean, it looks like a clean AMD model to me, like accumulation, manipulation all the way to this 1 hour gap, and then distribute here. But that did not end up happening. So we didn't inverse this gap, this 1 minute. And also, I also faded it because of, like like it wasn't really good structure because we just like fucking went all the way high up, and there's not really a good break even point here. So I faded this 1 minute, even though we didn't displace through it. Plus, at the time, we were like a couple minutes away from putting this 5 minute gap. So I just faded it completely. So here we put in this 5 minutes right here, and I was just waiting, bro, just being patient. Um, if you took this 1 minute, well, you got cooked because now we're in a 5 minute gap. See? So, yeah, it was just waiting, staying more patient. The only thing I was getting fucked up with in the market today, it was I was looking too much, like, too much noise was going on, and I was looking at it, which I should have just stayed more patient, more, uh, not reactive to this, because basically we were just chopping around the whole time. But yeah, there was this one trade I saw, but I just didn't like it because we were still in this 1 hour gap. But yeah, there was this one trade that looked good, and also I didn't like it because there was a 5 minute below us, and I also wanted that to get tapped before we started running up. But yeah, there was this 1 minute ifvg you could have taken right here. This let me mark it out. Like this 1 minute would have been like a 101. But if you did took it, you probably would have got break even here because you would have went break even here. You would have went break even here because we had an SMT at these highs with ES at the time, and you would have stopped out of break even. But yeah, we start chopping around. We eventually do hit this this higher up here, this intermediate high in this 1 hour gap. And then I was looking for shorts too, because now we opened up a 15 minute. We opened up a 15 minute here. Hold on. Yeah, we opened up the 15 minute, and I was looking for shorts to this 15 minute gap. But I faded it again. I said no, I'm not taking this, because the way we were fucking delivering and the way how much candles it took us to inverse this 2 minute was not good, bro. You know, we're just placing out of this 5 minute, and then this 1 hour gap, and the way we're just like reacting off price, and we look at the 1 minute, we're fucking just chopping around, dude. And I just didn't like the market conditions for any trade at all, bro. You know what I mean? Like, look at this shit. It looks like a barcode. But yeah, yeah. So I was looking at this 2 minute IVG to the 15 to this intermediate low and the 15 minute gap. But yeah, I just did not take it though, because we look how much candles it took to inverse this gap. We just did not have a good delivery. And then yeah, we just kept waiting, and then eventually we hit this 15 minute. We never hit this. I don't think we hit that intermediate low. Did we? No, I don't think we did. But yeah, today PA was so terrible, right? Today, the only trade you possibly could have taken was this 1 minute, but you probably would have got uh you you most likely would have got break even, because you would have went break even because you took the internal low and there was a SMT at these highs. So you would have got break even if you took this trade, if you didn't go. But yeah, that was the only trade that I saw, was this 2 minute IVG for the 15 minute, targeting the 15 minute out of the 1 hour gap, and we swept this, but I just faded it, to be honest. And then there was another opportunity here, which was there was a 15 second here somewhere, and could have taken that, but I don't trade 15 seconds, bro. So we resweep it. We're still in this 15 minute gap. There was a 15 second here, bro. And look, we had this big ass candle to all this low resistance liquidity. This is more discretionary, like type beat. Like, this trade was more discretionary. I wouldn't take this, because I mean, it's just I don't trade 15 seconds or 30 seconds. So also we didn't sweep these lows down here. There's also a 5 minute gap under us. So yeah, I kind of wanted that to get tapped into, maybe come more into discount. But other than that, like, today was not really the best day to trade. I just hopped off the market, to be honest, today. Out of like, once I saw this 2 minute like play going on, like around like 9:10, 9:15, I was, yeah, I'm out of this bitch, because there was nothing going on here. There's no good gaps. The way like, the candles were printing was terrible, you know. So even if you took this 1 minute IVG, look at the clothes, bro. Like, no way you're taking that. So yeah, today was not a good day to trade, and I'm staying more patient. That's what I'm realizing. I'm staying more fucking patient. I didn't take anything stupid in here, you know. If probably a couple of days ago, maybe not. Oh, I mean, maybe next, like a little. Fuck, can't talk. Maybe like a couple months. Me from the past probably would have taken something here. Maybe this IVG here, or this IVG, or maybe this IVG. Probably would have taken many shit, many stuff like this, where it's just like a one IVG, and I'm pattern trading. But today I saw the context, and I was like, yo, we're in this 1 hour, but we're also in this 15 minute. Plus, we also opened up a 5 minute. So yeah, today was just not a good day in general. I mean, you could have taken this 1 minute. This 1 minute IPG didn't look bad, because we're just placing out the 5 minute. But yeah, there's nothing really good today. But I am more thankful, and I think I improved more today, even though I didn't take anything. It's just sitting out the markets, just not trading, just not pressing buy when I see IVG, which is a problem with me. Is I take the first setup that I see, bro. I faded this shit, and probably the person that I was like maybe a couple months ago, a couple weeks ago, probably would have taken this IVG. So yeah, I'm grateful that I'm progressing. I'm getting better. Like I probably would have taken this maybe a couple months ago, couple weeks ago, but I'm not the same person. I'm just journaling, seeing what losses I'm taking, and the main losses I'm taking is this like IVGs that I take that without no context. So yeah, today really nothing to talk about. I mean, there was just not really any probably good setups here that I really liked, especially in this chop. Like, look at this shit, bro. We were just up, down, up, down, up, down. Like, just not good to trade these conditions. And yeah, but very, very, very proud of myself that I did not take anything fucking in that chop. There's no, for me, there was no good manipulation leg here. But all right, that's it for me. Damn, I'm just recording for chopping. See what tomorrow brings.